Welcome to Wayland Sheet Metal and Fabrications Limited. Based in Hayward, Lancashire, we are a well-established business with technical and engineering expertise to consistently manufacture and supply top-quality bespoke steel and aluminium components and fabrications. At the core of our business are our high-quality modern engineering machines, operated by our experienced and qualified team. We are proud to have recently installed a state-of-the-art powder coating facility from RDM Middleton Engineering that can accept both small and medium-sized fabrications. Powder coating achieves uniform and superior quality coverage. Once powder coated, the items are then moved to our cooker bay, where they are heat treated. The end product achieves excellent resistance to corrosion and is very cost-effective. Our hard-earned reputation stems from the calibre and training of our close-knit team and our stringent standards. For more information, call us on 01706 360 345.